Welcome to JH. You might have noticed Sorelle Tanning Drops trending online lately. These advertisements showcase a product you add to your beverages to achieve a tan. Essentially, it is a drinkable tanning solution. By mixing a few drops into your water or juice, you are supposed to develop a natural, sun-kissed look without needing UV exposure, tanning beds, or traditional lotions. The company claims these drops stimulate melanin production, the pigment responsible for skin color, using ingredients like biotin and ellerin. They promise a golden glow that is free from streaks, orange tints, or sun damage, all while being natural. However, there are some concerns. Typically, melanin is only produced when your skin is exposed to actual UV rays from the sun. There is very little scientific evidence suggesting that consuming a liquid can trigger a visible change in skin tone. Consequently, the claim that no sun is required seems exaggerated. Furthermore, these drops lack DHA, the standard ingredient in self-tanners, likely because it isn't safe to ingest. This raises the question of what is actually causing the tan. Another warning sign involves the promotional before and after images, which appear to be stock photos or taken from other brands. There is also a noticeable lack of authentic user feedback for a product that is supposedly viral. While you might see a minor improvement in your skin's appearance, do not expect results comparable to a tropical holiday. If you are interested in trying them, consult a medical professional first, particularly if you have health concerns or sensitive skin. For reliable results, stick with established self-tanning brands or moderate sun exposure combined with plenty of sunscreen.